Hi, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Ireland Treasure Pot. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities, and countries, and you want to learn how to create the best roast chicken, then continue watching. This channel is for you. What I would like for you to do is please click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, and comment. Now let's jump right into today's video. We are making roast chicken, and as you can see here, we have our whole chicken here in all its glory, looking so succulent and nice. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to clean this chicken. I'm going to show you how to do it the proper way. Now if you want to move forward to the recipe, you can do that. The timestamps will be in the description box below, so you can do that. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to get this chicken turned over. So as you can see here, inside of the gut of the chicken we have the chicken neck and the gizzard or the lungs, not quite sure. But we're going to put that aside to make chicken stock in a later video. Now guys, if you want to know where I bought my locally raised chicken, I will put that information in the description box below, so you can check that out. So let's get in closer here. Let me bring you all in closer that you all can see what we need to get out from the gut of the chicken. So you want to get all this flesh out from inside of the gut, especially around the spine area. You want to clean that properly. And if you have a neighbor that have dogs, or if you have dogs, you could use these to cook up something. I know some people give their pets pet food, but you know, some people don't, so you could always give it to a neighbor. Waste nothing here. So you want to clean that out properly, and then after cleaning that, you want to wash the inside out. All the excess fat, get that out. So you want to ensure that you clean this chicken thoroughly. You want all that blood to be removed when washed. You get a better vision as to what it's supposed to look like when I rinse that blood out. I'm just going to run it under the pipe, and then I'm going to come back showing the results. So this is our results, guys, and you can see it is very clean. Well, not where I want it just as yet. We still have to rinse this in some vinegar and flour water, but first we're going to cut off this butt. I know a lot of people eat this, but I don't, so I'm going to get rid of it. You want to clean out all those excess fat or flesh, skin. You want to get that off. You can use a kitchen shears if you choose to. I'm using my fingers to pull them off. You want to trim off some of the excess skin. And this is a pretty bird, guys. Look at how gorgeous this bird is. So now what you want to do is you want to get under the grooves of the skin, so that when you're ready to put the marinade on it, it's going to slip right through under the skin. So you want to be gentle with this. Don't tear your chicken like me. I'm a bit rough. Be gentle. Slip your fingers beneath to get that gap space under the skin, so that you can get seasoning to go under there. You also want to be able to wash this out with the vinegar and flour water. So here in my basin I have some water, and to this I'm going to add some vinegar and some flour. And then I'm going to put my chicken in here to give my chicken a bath. And yes guys, I actually wash my chicken as it's a baby. I get under the arms, I pull out all the hair or skin that's on it. I make sure that this chicken is well cleaned. The tips of the wings, you want to cut those off. So now here, my chicken took its bath already, and now it's soaking to get all that rank out, so that it will be a really clean chicken. You don't want any freshness in your chicken, so I suggest that step. So here I have my soy sauce, and to this I'm adding my black pepper. This is the marinade now guys. My clove, and the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. My onion powder, and yes guys, I know it's much seasoning, but trust me, you will be so happy. Paprika, it's gonna taste phenomenal. Garlic powder, Italian seasoning, chili powder, thyme, and this is the dry thyme guys, not the fresh one, ginger powder, five spice powder, one pack of the spicy cook from Maggie, also one pack of the all-purpose seasoning from Maggie as well, some Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire, however you pronounce it, that sauce, some Asian seasoning, and this is from Swiss, and guys, this is really good. Not because we're not making Chinese, trust me, it's great for roast chicken. Some Angostura bitters, and some of the orange Angostura bitters as well. Flavor guys. Some Dijon mustard, some Little Me pepper sauce, check her out. And we can't do this without some local green seasoning. It's a must. Yes, it just brings in the nice Caribbean local flavor that we all love and crave so much. And that's it. We're just gonna rub this down onto our chicken, but before doing so, I'm gonna add some crushed allspice berry, pimento berry, and I'm going to grate some nutmeg in here as well. Guys, do not forget to put salt to taste. And then you're going to rub your chicken from top to bottom, in and out with this marinade, and let it soak for 3 hours or more. So here my chicken is already rubbed down. As you can see, my marinade is all over, but I forgot to add my salt, so I'm gonna put it in now. And now remember, you're putting salt to your liking. However salty or non-salty you prefer your food, you do just that. So now I'm gonna punch my chicken puncture. I'm gonna puncture this chicken. I'm gonna stab this chicken up. Yes. Why? Because you want the seasoning to get into those creases. You want to get that seasoning down to the bone of the chicken. You want it to be completely marinated in this marinade. Okay, guys? So you want to give this probably overnight seasoning. If you don't have the time to do it overnight, 3 hours will do the job. Yes, guys, 3 hours. Then you want to put this on the roast settings for your oven. Preheat your oven, guys, please. And you're gonna let this chicken just turn up and do its thing in the oven. You are gonna be so pleased with the results, guys. Trust me, you're gonna love this. It's gonna be flavor packed, mouth watering, neighbors calling, worthy. Okay? Yes. So my chicken is well marinated. It's under the skin, it's on top of the skin, it's in the gut, it's everywhere. So now I'm gonna get this in my Pyrex dish, and I'm gonna put it into my oven, and I'm gonna come back with the results for you guys to see. So my chicken is now finished, and this is my results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, share it everywhere, guys, so that YouTube can push out this video. Thank you again for your support.